Hi everyone, Tracy here with Kobukan Essential Oils. This is part 2 of our mini-series on cinnamon essential oil. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to use cinnamon essential oil. And because cinnamon has, a high potential for skin irritation, it's important that we dilute properly, which that is, we'll talk about that when we get to our last way to use cinnamon essential oil. But first, one of my favorite ways is in the dryer. So you can put cinnamon essential oil on your wool dryer balls. These are great for getting rid of toxic dryer sheets. And I specifically like cinnamon because if you have any musty smell in the laundry because maybe you left your towels in while they were still damp and you get that musty smell, the cinnamon takes it away. So I really like to use cinnamon in the dryer. So, and one thing I want to say too is when you take your clothes out, you'll get a whoosh of cinnamon, but it dissipates. So it's not like you're going to put a shirt on and you smell like cinnamon. It will evaporate to where there's no smell when you're ready to put your clothes on. So just keep that in mind. My second way to use cinnamon essential oil is in the bathroom on the insides of your toilet paper rolls. So you can just put like 4 or 5 drops. It's encapsulated a little bit, so that's nice for holding the aroma longer. So it's not going to evaporate quite as quickly being inside your toilet paper roll on the cardboard tube there. So that's an awesome way for getting those airborne antimicrobial properties and immune supporting properties, and then your whole bathroom smells like cinnamon. That's awesome. And then our last but not least way of ways to use cinnamon is in a warming massage oil or a warming chest rub. And this, we're going to use 5 different essential oils for our recipe here. We're going to do cinnamon bark, cinnamon leaf, ginger, frankincense, and orange. And we're going to put it in a sunflower oil base. You can use a different carrier if you want, like jojoba oil would be fine. Or you could use even coconut oil if you wanted something that's a little richer and more emollient. But we're going to do sunflower oil. So to start, we're going to take 1 ounce of sunflower oil. That's about 2 tablespoons. And we sell the 4 ounce sunflower oil and the 1 ounce sunflower oil on our website. But I'm just going to do a little 1 ounce size for you here. So we'll take our cap off. Try not to introduce anything that might be on your hands, inside your bottles or on your dip tube here. So I just try not to touch anything when I have it opened up. So first we're going to do 2 drops of cinnamon bark essential oil. Remember our safe dilution rate for cinnamon bark is 1 to 2 drops per ounce, and cinnamon leaf is up to 3 drops. Because we're going to use both the bark and the leaf, I'm not going to exceed 3 drops total for the 2. So this is, again, 2 drops cinnamon bark. Next is 1 drop of cinnamon leaf. Next we have 2 drops ginger. Okay. Next is frankincense. It's also a great anti-inflammatory. So this blend can be warming, but it can also be soothing to painful situations. So for the frankincense, we're going to do 3 drops. I'm sorry, 5 drops. 5 drops frankincense and 3 drops of orange. And orange essential oil is a great immune supporter. It also brightens the blend a little bit. So I just think orange and ginger and cinnamon all go really nicely together. So it's nice to brighten up the aroma just a bit. Okay. And that is it. So we've got our warming massage oil, or you can use it, like I said, as a chest rub. Rub it on cold, achy muscles. That's another way to use it. Like we talked about in the last video on the benefits of cinnamon essential oil. It is very good for those achy, cold muscles that you can get like with the flu and that kind of a thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's my 3 ways to use cinnamon essential oil: wool dryer balls, insides of toilet paper roll holders, And then we just made a topical blend, a warming massage oil blend. So I will see you guys next time. And next time we're going to continue our mini series on cinnamon essential oil. We're going to be making cinnamon incense sticks. So I'll see you guys then.